What people don't understand is they tend to think, well, people grow old and die of cancer. That's not true. The leading cause of cancer death, 2 to 1 under the age of 65, is cancer over heart disease. Cancer is the leading cause under the age of 85, 65, 55, 45, and 35. It's 5 747s filled with cancer patients crashing every single day of the year. It's a death a minute. And we've become callous about this because supposedly we don't know what to do about it. And the Arizona Cancer Center is absolutely dedicated to the development of new technologies, whether in the diagnostic area, early detection area, or drug development area. We have in our research building, 65 600 square foot labs, and each one of those labs, I guarantee, has a new technology that's being developed of some type, because we're so interested in bench-to-bedside medicine. Skin cancer is almost in epidemic proportions in southern Arizona. We have between 4 to 7 times the incidence of both squamous cell, basal cell cancers of the skin, as well as melanoma. It takes something in the range of 30 years to go from a completely normal skin to a precancerous condition in the skin. So there are 30 to 40 years that you can do something to intervene with that process. Using a high-definition microscope, we can evaluate 93 different features of nuclear chromatin in the nucleus, each one of which has a numerical function. And then from that, we can get one number that represents the degree of nuclear abnormality. And that's been a very effective tool for us in terms of, number one, identifying how seriously progressed a patient's skin is in terms of sun damage and how likely they are to go on to have skin cancer. So the technology that we're developing has many applications, including breast cancer, colon cancer, esophageal cancer, stomach cancer, and we're excited about that, but it's a slow process to do the clinical research that's required to prove that we actually have a diagnostic that can help large numbers of people with these early lesions. My skin cancer area is prevention, but in the clinical treatment area with ovarian cancer, it's a very unique tumor because it is always in an advanced form when it's diagnosed. It occurs in the belly and it rarely gets out of the belly. It kills women by getting into the bowel and causing bowel obstructions. And so it occurred to me and some other investigators at the University of California, San Diego, that the way to deal with ovarian cancer was to put the drugs in the belly where the tumor is. We're on our way, I think, to a new knowledge base about how to treat ovarian cancer in a much more regional way, with the cure rates hopefully increasing dramatically. And during this time, we've seen the median survival for women with stage 3 disease go from literally less than a year to 6 to 7 years. So I would say that that's been a very exciting part of my life clinically. We can't stand pat when we have 560,000 deaths. Yes, we're making tremendous progress in terms of turning breast cancer and colon cancer and prostate cancer into chronic diseases, but the patients are still dying of the disease. And during the past 30 years, the Cancer Center's investigators have actually started more than 20 startup companies in southern Arizona and the Southwest. The impact is tremendous. It puts people to work. It develops new technologies that can reach the entire world. And I'm very proud of it because the Cancer Center is now, with its research budget and these companies, responsible for almost 6,000 jobs in southern Arizona and more than $1.3 billion of economic impact each year. So it all works together.